Hello friends, today we are going to study about the chapter similarity, which is in the subject geometry, that is in math 7. Friends, the problems on this chapter will be asked for your annual examination for 10 marks. So this is very important chapter for you. Understand? Friends, we know that the similarity and congruency are the two important concepts in geometry, and we are already familiar with this concept since 8th standard. Now in this year we are going to study about the similarity of two triangles and its properties. To prove the similarity of two triangles, to study the similarity of two triangles and its properties, we must know some basic concepts about it. Which are the basic concepts? The first basic concept is the ratio of area of two triangles. The ratio of area of two triangles. Ratio of area of two triangles. Ratio of area of two triangles. Understand? Here are 4 properties of ratio of areas of two triangles. Which are the 4 properties? First property is that the ratio of area of two triangles having different bases and different heights is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding heights. Second property is the ratio of areas of two triangles having equal bases is equals to the ratio of their corresponding heights. Third property is the ratio of areas of two triangles having equal heights is equals to the ratio of their corresponding bases. And fourth property is the ratio of areas of two triangles having equal bases and equal heights is equal to the ratio of is equals to 1:1. That is, their areas are equal. Today we are going to study the first property about the triangles, the ratio of areas of two triangles having different bases and different heights. Right. First property. Property first. The ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. Now I am going to write the proof of this statement. For that, to write the proof, we must read first of all the statement and then draw the figure on it and then write the given to prove and proof. Understand? Now the ratio of areas of two triangles is equals to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. To find the ratio, we must what is meant by ratio? Ratio is nothing but the comparison of two numbers by division, comparison of two variables by division. Understand? To find the ratio of areas of two triangles, we must know the area. We must know the area. And for that we must know the base and height of two triangles. Understand? Now I am going to draw the figures of two triangles having different bases and different heights. triangle ABC and triangle PQR. The height of two triangles we must denote by dotted line. Understand? Seg AD is the height and seg BC is the base. In second triangle, seg QR is the base and seg PS is the height. Understand? Seg PS is the height. Now given in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, seg AD is perpendicular to side BC and seg PS is perpendicular to side QR. Seg AD is perpendicular to the side BC and seg PS is perpendicular to the side QR. To prove. What we have to prove here? We want to prove that the ratio of areas of two triangles, means area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR. Ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their corresponding bases and heights. The ratio of product of bases and corresponding heights means BC is the base of first triangle and AD is its height. QR is the base of second triangle and PS is its height. Understand? Now proof. Proof. Very important. Easy. It's very easy. Understand? First of all, we must find the area of first triangle and then find the area of second triangle and then divide it. Thus, we will get the ratio of areas of two triangles. Understand? For that, I am going to find the area of first triangle. That is in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, area of triangle equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. Right. Now area of triangle ABC equal to 1 by 2 into base BC into height. AD is stand number first. Similarly, in triangle PQR, right? Area of triangle equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. Right? Now area of triangle PQR equal to 1 by 2 into base QR into height PS, stand number second. To find the ratio of areas of two triangles, we must divide the equation first by second. We get divide equation first by second. We get area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR equal to 1 by 2 into base BC into AD divided by 1 by 2 into QR into PS. Now this half get cancelled. Here in the left side, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR equal to BC into AD divided by QR into PS. Understand? Hence, HENC. Hence, we have proved that the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. Friends, the proof of this statement will be asked for your annual examination for 3 marks. Friends, study this proof and by heart this statement and try to write the proof of this statement without seeing on the blank page. Thank you.